gonna need this. Gonna go there. Then I'm gonna need this there. Can't forget this. And then this. That's gonna go there. How's it going, RC drivers? In my Traxxas Disruptor video, I promised you guys I'd do a video on the tandem trailer that they have for it. But rather than just do a video on the trailer, I thought, you know what? Why don't I put together the ultimate scale rig that will definitely make your friends jealous? So I've already pulled out everything for this killer setup. Let me show you what I got. I'm gonna start over here with the TRX4 Bronco. I thought we just needed a cool modern rig to go and tow the Disruptor. I think these two are gonna look really good together. This thing's still stock. I do have the winch on the front, and I did go and pull a 3S battery pack to power it to pull that. Then of course, the brand new tandem axle trailer. Let's get this out of the box. Actually, quick channel update, I've opened up memberships. So if you're interested in becoming a member, head down to the video description below for the link. There it is, the trailer out of the box, and it looks great. It looks like a smaller version of the triaxle Traxxas trailer I already had here on the channel. But let's go over it really quickly in case you haven't seen it before. It does have a metal frame to it, Traxxas logo etched on it. You can see that they have LED lenses, but there's no LED lights in it. That's an aftermarket kit. They have the hitch in the front. They've got this bungee to help secure the boat. Little V-notch up front just to make sure everything's centered. And then they've got the cradle back here. There's some foam strips so it doesn't do any damage to the boat, like the fenders on this. And then you've got your small tires and just a simple axle setup. At least it's ball bearing supported. And then they even have red lenses in the rear for when you go and add LED lights. If you do go that route. Then they give you this little baggie. Inside, you're gonna find the drop hitches for the trailer setup with the hardware that you need, and then some extra decals, and of course an instruction manual to get this thing together. So I'm gonna go mount up this receiver really quickly to the Bronco and head off to the dock. Well guys, the weather's changing, the leaves are turning, it's getting colder out, so I gotta get some boat time in, and this is gonna be absolutely fun. Check this out, I've got everything all bolted together. Now here's the thing, you know, if you wanna go and transport this, you may need a big car to do it, unless you, of course, you go and unscrew the trailer, which is altogether possible. So I'm just saying there may be some assembly once you get to wherever you're gonna drive this thing, but check this out. I've got the Disruptor. And look at this, get this slipped into the back. Just nestle it in here. You could secure it with this front hook, and that looks absolutely awesome. One thing I forgot to mention in the studio is you could go and hook up another winch to a little plate on the bottom here and actually winch up your boat if you want to get really scale with this thing. Maybe I'll do that later. Hopefully I get the light kit and we could do another video on that. But let's go drive this thing around, see how it does off-roading. All right, guys, let's get the wheels dirty on the trailer. Man, that thing looks good. Swing this around, check that out. Absolutely ultimate setup. I got a couple buddies that I know are gonna be jealous when they see this. Let's speed it up a little bit. See how that trailer handles. Not too bad, just a little bit of bounce. We'll kick to the side on that rock. Speed this thing up. Look at that. Thing's moving. You got it just bottomed out on this little lip right here. Let's see if I hit it again coming back. Oh, it's just the trailer itself, not the rudder. All right, rudder and prop aren't harmed, so we're good. I'm fine with the trailer getting scratched up. And now we got to launch this boat. This looks like the smoothest entry spot right here. Swing this thing around. Of course, I'm doing this one-handed. That never works out, right? So I figure I better just put down the camera so I can concentrate on this. There we go, straighten it out. Oh, a little turn there. All right, we're straight, backing it down, and look at that. Perfect. Love the way that looks. One more attempt. Just back this down nice and gently. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, it just turned at the end. How good does that look? So I think it's just kind of floating there. So let's see if I can reverse this thing out. Oh, it's doing it. Look at that. Yeah, there we go. Absolutely awesome. I think that's the first time I ever actually launched a boat off of an RC trailer before. I think we should play with the Disruptor now. The question is, can I get it back up on the trailer? Let's see. One-handed driving, not easy. Oh, I did it. You just got to go for it. Almost perfect. So the Traxxas Tandem axle trailer, it's really just a statement piece to anybody's RC collection. I mean, that's just a killer looking setup right there. Really easy to get together since they have the trailer assembled in the box. You just have to bolt it up to your specific rig, make sure you adjust the height properly. And then, I mean, if you want, go add the LED lights and winch to it later on. But this, very cool. I'll have links for it and a price in the video description below.